So, what to do when you're installing this type of board, universal, White-Rodgers? As soon as you powering up, it's going on the error. E41. Which one is mean? E41. Auto configuration error. So when you're reading the instruction, it says something about igniter and inducer. No, that's not right. Just take a look at what you did and what you plug and where. What's that wire for? I think you forgot to plug some wires. Let's try to plug them in. And see if the error will gonna stay there. That's how you resolve the problem. Alright, all set. Easy fix.